Yeah, what up? You know it's your boy, Mr. Consistent. You know why? Because we dropping a video every single day. Every single day? Every single day. Listen, so today we got a video coming from PoliceActivity, and the title of it is High-Speed Motorcycle Chase Ends in Crash, right? This took place in Florida, so we definitely about to get into it.
Let me know as soon as you get an eyeball on him. As soon as you get an eyeball on him, I don't want any marked units close to him at all.
All right, 10-4, we're actually trying to keep up. He's really high rate of speed right now, coming up to 39th Street. All right, eastbound 37th Street.
See, that's the thing. That's the thing. Once they get that that chopper on you, the helicopter, I mean, you done. You done, really. Like, where you going? You know what I'm saying? Like, once they get that chopper out and they get them eyes on you, it's over. It's over. But the unfortunate thing is, like, you don't know that they got the chopper on you when you driving or on the motorcycle. You probably can't see it, but I don't know, man. He done.
Passing multiple cars, really extremely reckless, still eastbound 37th.
He going crazy fast. Oh yeah, he wildin'. Oh yeah, he wildin'.
Passing cars, looks like we're going to be southbound on the Boulevard. Southbound on the Boulevard.
What kind of bike is it? Look like he might run out of gas momentarily.
That's a sport style bike, white helmet. He's moving so fast, it's really hard to get a description. I could tell it's just a sports bike, that's for sure. Passing 21st Street.
He is going and going and going. And that's the one thing that I'd never really understood with guys that do, you know, that go on the run or they want to take cops on police chases and stuff like that, because eventually you are gonna run out of gas. So that's a good point.
I know you're enjoying the video. I'm sorry that I had to interrupt, but I just wanted to tell you that we now have members only content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification, and make sure you hit right here, join, right? We have supporter, gives you certain perks as far as emojis, badges, and stuff like that. Then we have early access, which is you have early access to the videos that will be coming up on the channel, plus whatever comes in the supporter package. And then you have VIP, which you get everything in the supporter package and in early access, but alongside members only live streams. You can join me on the live stream if you want. And we have exclusive, and I mean exclusive, members only videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you join the members only.
Hey, what kind of bike is it? Is the guy gonna run out of gas? Like, that's a good point, because the motorcycles, I don't know how long they go, but I mean, eventually you are gonna run out of gas. I mean, it is what it is.
Like I said, really high rate of speed. Already up to 17th Street. We are going to continue southbound. Almost crashed, still southbound. Looks like he's on the sidewalk now. And wipeout, he just crashed. South of 17th Street Boulevard. Yep, he's helmet down. He's
pissed. He's pissed. Did you see the crash? Hold up. He's pissed.
right, already up to 17th Street.
Look at that.
We are going to continue southbound.
Woo!
Almost crashed, still southbound. Looks like he's on the sidewalk now. And wipeout, he just crashed. South of 17th Street, Boulevard.
Wow.
Yep, he's helmet down. He's standing by the bike right now.
Hands up. Put your hands up. Face away from me. Face away from me. Interlock your fingers on the back of your head. Walk back towards me. All right. Interlace your fingers, all right? It's done. Don't be fucking stupid. You understand? Keep your hands like this or we're going to go to the ground. He's in custody. I have EMS en route for road rash. Outside of road rash, what do you have?
What an idiot. Let me see. What's the charges? Reckless driving, first offense. Fleeing and eluding law enforcement with lights and sirens active. Yeah, but what was he initially being? I wonder what they initially pulled him over for. You know, I'm gonna definitely probably have the description in the description box, you feel me? But yeah, that's crazy.
I don't think it is. Just road rash?
Like, where do you think you going? I mean, honestly, where do you think you going? Like, you might as well just pull on over or whatever and take your punishment. You know, you probably gonna get a ticket or whatever the case may be. But now you running and chasing and all this other stuff, like, for what? And then you end up getting into an accident? That's why I don't mess with them motorcycles, man. I was just watching, I was on Facebook and a chick actually posted a GoFundMe because she ended up getting in a motorcycle accident. And I'm like, listen, we can all go outside and get hurt, right? It's inevitable. Like, you don't know when your time is up, how you gonna die, whatever. It don't even gotta be your fault to get into an accident. But at least with a car or a truck or an SUV, something like that, at least you got a little bit more protection than a motorcycle. I mean, a motorcycle, one little move, y'all seen that accident that happened. It was one little love tap by the truck and it was over. You lose control and you out of here. Like, nah, I'm not doing no motorcycles. It's quiet for that. I'm not doing no motorcycles. It's over.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.